Hey guys, welcome to Red's Projects. Today I want to finish welding the exhaust on the XG So last episode I cut it all out, tacked it in place, did little stitch welds and stuff on them. So today if I can finish it, completely weld it, I'll be happy. So we'll start up this pipe, take this one off, completely weld it, and then see if it bolts back on, because stainless shrinks and bends and does all stupid stuff when you weld it. So we'll do one piece at a time. We'll start with this one. Hope you like music and time lapses, because that's what this video is going to be full of. Still fits, beautiful. Beautiful, still bolts up. All right, that's it for today. I started kind of late in the afternoon, so I didn't get as much done as I wanted to, but I got both these front engine pipes completely welded, so that's 100% done. This guy's 100% done as well. So first thing in the morning, I'm gonna take off the next section, the X, and start welding that up. All right, that's it, I'm going to bed. I'll see you in the morning. All right, welcome back. Not a good start to the morning. I just broke me holder for the GoPro, so I might try and glue it, but today's camera angles might be a bit funny until I work that out. But yeah, let's start getting this exhaust off. Get this back section off, get up on the bench, start welding her up. All right, I thought it's worth a shot. I'll get some super glue and try gluing it. I did try to TIG it, but I couldn't get the right filler rods. Super glue's plan B. So let that dry and see how that goes. And we're out of here. All right, let's give this a try. That in, that over. Okay, fingers crossed. Yes, it worked. All right, let's do some welding. Been welding away for a couple of hours now and I'm basically done. It's all welded except for the X, and I left the X like that because it has a little bit of flex in it. So right now I'm going to bolt it back up, make sure it all sits where it should do, and if I'm happy with it, I'll put a couple spots there on the X, take it back off, weld the X completely, and then this is 100% done. Alright, looks pretty good. It all still lines up. It all still points where it should be pointing. Actually, while I'm here, I might as well tack the mufflers on. Then I can weld them on the bench as well. Saves me doing things twice. Alright, it's been a long day, but I can happily say that the exhaust is all welded and done besides the hangers. So I even put it outside to make it look a bit better. Front's all welded. I put the O2 bungs in. This is all welded. The X is all welded. Mufflers are welded on. And just sat the 45s in there for now. I would like to just run it like that, but I'm guessing it's going to be too loud, so we'll wait till I fire it up for the first time and see what it sounds like. I may just put 45s on it. I may go over the diff and add another muffler like I said before, but very happy with how this turned out. There's one more thing I've got to do, and that's the exhaust hangers, but that's a bit boring, so we'll just skip forward to future me and I'll show you the finished product. Alright, now like I said a couple of days ago, I want to show you the exhaust complete and skip all the boring stuff, so let's have a look. So you can see I've made up some hangers for it. Got the 45s sitting in there for the moment. It's not too loud, they're staying, but just have a look at this thing. Just love it. Alright, really happy with how this exhaust turned out. It turned out much better than I thought it would. It's much fancier than I thought it would have ended up, and I just love it. And I can't wait to hear what it sounds like, and I'm going to hear what it sounds like tomorrow, because I've got a mate coming over and we're going to get this thing running no matter what. So I'm really excited for that. You should be really excited for that, but you're going to have to wait till next week, because that's it for this episode. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.